Right now, not tomorrow, not next year, a single machine imported from China is quietly pulling in thousands of dollars monthly. And if you don't act, someone else will. No hype, no crypto, no get rich quick nonsense, just cold non-stop demand. This machine produces things the world cannot stop buying. Every city, every industry, every single day of the year. It doesn't care about the economy. It doesn't follow trends. It doesn't sleep. It automates precision work that companies are forced to pay for again and again. This machine has already taken over manufacturing, from woodworking and metal fabrication to automotive parts, electronics, jewelry manufacturing, and custom furniture. Entire industries rely on it to survive. And here's the part most people miss. You don't need a factory, you don't need millions, and you don't need to invent anything. If you want a real business, one that scales, prints invoices instead of promises, and is already proving worldwide, don't blink. Because today, I'm breaking down the most profitable machine of the 21st century and exactly how you can build a solid, scalable business with it. And the best part is that any of these machines can be imported directly from China through DAKS import and export trading with little capital. In today's dynamic business landscape, leveraging cutting-edge technology is paramount for success. One such technology that has revolutionized the manufacturing industry is the CNC machine, the computer numeric control machine. If you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China. If you need anything from China or any product to import from China, contact us. In this video, we are exploring the top 10 most profitable ideas that can strive with the integration of one machine, the CNC machine. Number 1 is the custom woodworking creation. Woodworking isn't just a hobby. With the CNC machine, it's a cash machine. Cave integrate furniture, custom signs and plates that people pay top dollar for. Precision, speed, and high quality craftsmanship let you dominate the market and keep customers coming back. Number 2 is my favorite, welding. Welding isn't just a skill. With a CNC welding machine, it's a profit powerhouse. From metal frames to industrial components, precision welding is in constant demand. Every construction project, manufacturer, and custom metal business needs flawless welds, and they will pay top dollar for it. Automate complex welds, scale your production, and turn sparks into serious cash. Number 3 is the plastic fabrication. From custom parts to display stands and packaging prototypes, CNC plastic fabrication is a gold mine. Precision matters, and with a CNC machine, you deliver perfection every time and get paid accordingly. Number 4 is the prototyping and product development. Companies pay big for prototypes. With a CNC machine, you can churn out perfect designs, fast consumer products, industrial parts, and even cutting-edge inventions. Complex shapes? No problem. Accuracy? Guaranteed. Demand? Endless. The next is jewelry manufacturing. Turn creativity into cash. CNC machines craft rings, pendants, bracelets, and intricate designs faster than any artisan. Experiment with metals and gems to make high-value, one-of-a-kind jewelry that customers can't resist. The next is automotive parts production. The automotive industry doesn't compromise, and neither should your business. CNC machine produces engine parts, trims, precision components with tight tolerance. Every car company, every repair shop, every manufacturer needs these parts, and they will pay you for them. The next is the electronics and circuit board manufacturing. Electronics demand perfection, and CNC machine delivers. Cut circuit boards, cave precise layout, and create complex electronics components. Knowledge heavy? Yes. Profitable? Absolutely. The electronics market is huge, and CNC machines put you in it. Next is custom furniture manufacturing. Unique furniture sells for big money. With a CNC machine, you can create tables, chairs, cabinets, and bed frames. with intricate designs and flawless execution. Work on wood, plywood, acrylic. Customers pay for what others can't produce. The number 9, artistic sculptures and decorative items. Turn art into revenue. CNC machine lets you craft sculptures, metal art, and home decor with amazing precision. From luxury installation to collective figures, your creativity becomes cash in hand. The next is metal fabrication using CNC machine. Metal fabrication CNC machine don't just cut metal, they print money. Produce precision automotive parts, industrial components, and prototypes with flawless accuracy. Every industry that runs on metal depends on perfection, and you can charge premium prices for it. This is how powerful the CNC machine is. All of these businesses are proven money makers. If you want a step-by-step guidance to start one today, book a consultation with us. We are a registered trading company based in China, and we help entrepreneurs bring their high profit ideas into life. If you want your business to scale, survive, and dominate, start with a CNC machine. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit on the notification bell for more videos like this from China. As we said, if you need anything like sourcing, procurement, China factory tour, visiting China, if you want to start a business, you have the capital but you don't know what to start with, contact us. Well, big brands like Apple, Samsung even trust Chinese products. That is why they have all their production in China. Not forgetting Tesla have their largest production in China. China has become the world's factory. And me with 8 years experience living and doing business in China, all you have to do is to contact me for all your business deals. We are based in China, Guangzhou, and anything about business from China, we are your number one plug. And if you need any of these CNC machines for welding, for jewelry manufacturing, just contact us. We have sourced several of these machines for several customers from reliable manufacturers, and we have arranged delivery from China to your doorstep. Our job is to bridge Chinese manufacturers to you, to make importing reliable machines so easy and so comfortable for you. Well, if you have a machine you want to import from China and I've not mentioned, just comment in the comment section and we will help you bring your ideas into reality. If you are new here, don't forget we are here for you. Until then, subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.